Hey guys, this is Tom here again from Team Take Profits, helping you learn how to trade and get paid. Alright, so this video, I'm going to be going over what TradingView is and how to use it for your trading. This is certainly optional. It's not really mandatory for your trading per se, but it's a useful alternative if you don't have MT formula. So you're gonna have to go on your internet here and URL bar, just put TradingView, and it should be able to pop up here. All right, so you guys know the TradingView. This is what the page is going to look like. So you want to access the charts. Just go to the charts here. Let's see, just a second. All right, so by default, it's going to look like this. Let me quickly sign into my account here. Okay, just a second. Come on. Let's see, templates. I guess it's okay. I guess it hasn't fully. I guess it hasn't fully uploaded my stuff yet. Anyway, we're just gonna get started on that. Let's just get started anyway. All right, so this is your chart up here. These are all indicators. So let me quickly just clear the chart, and then I'll go through how to use the platform here. Okay. Why is my stuff not showing? All right, so this is TradingView here. All right, so right now it's showing Apple. So so to change pairs or whatever, you're gonna go up here to your very left. Let's put in the euro dollar here just to get started. So here's your euro dollar. Right here is your time frame, so you can change it to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can actually add custom time here, which is kind of cool. But that's only if you're on the paid setting here. Let's just go with the 4 hour for now, or 3 hour. 4 hour chart. All right, so here's your TradingView chart. So you got the green candles, the red, green for bullish, bearish. So you can to change your candle types, you can go here. You can have hollow candles. You have your line chart. You can have your you can have bars. You have all kinds of Renko, line break, Heikinashi, baseline. But let's just keep it simple, stick to candles here. So that's where your candle settings are. If you right click, you can go to color theme. I'm going to make mine dark so it's easier for everybody to see, depending where you are. So if you want to edit chart per se, you can either right click, go to settings, and then this will bring up here. You could change the candle colors. It can be yellow if you wanted to. Or you can have the borders as the borders of the candle, different colors. So it doesn't exactly matter. Let's apply the defaults. There we go. Wicks. You can have candle wicks here too. So it's kind of it's pretty simple here. Let's see, precision. I don't usually mess with that. The time zone. If you ever have period separators, I adjust it to the New York Standard Time. If I can find it here. Go. So here's here's your standard chart. Let's go back to the settings here. So you have the candles. Let's see, just a lot of these I really don't mess with. The line status, you can have open, high, lows, and that all that is just information up here telling you what the open, the high, and the lows are. You can have bar values, which I'm not really sure what that changes. Indicator titles. That must be when you have an indicator on here. Let's see, symbols. That's your symbol right there. A lot of these I just don't mess with. I don't mess with that. If you want to have session break, meaning meaning what sessions you're in. Let me go to a 30-minute chart. So 30 minutes is usually 1 day or 24 hours. And then the lines, blue lines right here, mark the cutoff for a new day to start. So basically, so for the clock to reset in the market, it's going to be 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's why adjusting the time, you have that option here, which is kind of nice. Versus in MetaTrader 4 here, you don't have that option. You unfortunately have to follow what they give you. Let's see, crosshairs. So for grid lines, if you want to get rid of the grid lines, you can just do that. Make the opacity 0%. Then you have no grid. Then if you want grid, you can do this. Or if you want it faintly in the background, you can adjust opacity. Or you can just change the color too, which is kind of cool. Anyway, but that's how you adjust. You have the grid on or not. But that's solely preference if you guys want it or not. So you are able to make trades on TradingView, but I don't exactly execute through TradingView. I only do it through MetaTrader 4. They do allow some brokers to execute trades with. I know FXCM allows to. I'm not sure if Tradersway or FX Choice is or even if your broker does it through TradingView or not. It all depends. Anyway, that's how you mess with the chart settings. Let me get rid of the vertical lines first. Vertical, horizontal. Okay. So you hit OK. All right, to add indicators, you can hit indicators here. You can put any of them on. Built-ins, public library. So the public library, what that is, that's just random. That's just users making indicators for, per se, this chart. So like if I want to, so this over here is just whatever is inside. Whatever you scroll down, it's whatever TradingView comes with by default. So if I want to put a volume movement average, I can do that. If I want to put Elder's Force Index, I can do that. These movement, so things like that. So shake an oscillator. With the free version, if you don't have a paid version of TradingView, which you're not required to have, you're allowed up to 3 indicators, I think. I forget what in particular. If you have a paid version, I think you can have up to 7 before it yells at you. So over here you have you have the indicator right here, volume weighted moving average. The I means if it's visible or not. This is to adjust the settings. The gear to adjust settings. The X is just to kill it. So kill it here, kill it over here. You have no indicators. Now for the public library, you basically, let's see, TFI. Let's see. So yeah, you can tell who makes it. So I'll just put in the TDFI here for a second to kind of show you. So public or built-in does not matter. You still have the same control options over it. The only thing with the public ones is you are able to, for the most part, the public ones are usually coded. That's what the kind of indicators they are. I don't have much program with Pine Editor or not, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Anyway, it's the same concept. You can make adjustments according to your TradingView here. You go with different pairs, USD, JPY. Also do that too. So it's nice to have a tool like this, just kind of around, especially if MT4 is not within hands too. And the phone has TradingView, but it's a little bit more clunky with the phone. So I will say that MetaTrader 4 app is easier than the phone, than the TradingView app. So right over here you have the option of drawing these lines here. It's horizontal. So anytime it's got a little square or circle icon, it means it's selected. You can change it by double clicking it, or making right click, go to settings, and then you just hit delete on the keyboard, it deletes it, or you just remove it like that. Then you have your paintbrush here, and do that. Then you can write text on here too as well. So TradingView is good for studying. Okay, it's very good for studying, making notes, and then just that's one thing I like about TradingView. It makes it easy to do that. Unlike MT4, it's not that easy. Then in Christopher Terry's show, when you see him drawing harmonic patterns, excuse me, he's using harmonic pattern app here. So I'm simply just drawing a pattern. I don't know if it follows harmonic pattern. I'm sure there's some sort of yeah. So this is just a random pattern I drew. So it's may not be following harmonic pattern or not. You can do trade level right here. So so like you draw that somewhere, and then you can kind of just make it tells you exactly what numbers are here. It's kind of nice. Let's see. What's this really do? Okay, not sure. Anyway, I only mess with these functions up here. This is the pitchfork too. If anyone is out there using pitchforks, yeah, anyone who's learning how to use pitchforks, watch Chance and Sam Gognum, and they use that method out. They use that trading method for IM Academy. So anyway, the pitchfork on here is a lot nicer. It's a lot easier to use than what do you call it? Than what on MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 only gives you 3 lines. This one gives you several lines. It's kind of nice here. In some cases, the given indicators has a little bit more options with it. So yeah, that's how you add items, remove items, objects, and indicators. So so another thing that I use TradingView for, along with MetaTrader 4, is the back testing tools. I'm gonna cut the video short here, so I can show you guys how to show you guys how to use it, and on how to back test on TradingView, and how to use the tool for MetaTrader 4 here. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get them.